The students, next topic we will start is lymphatic system. Okay. So lymphatic system is what? It is a part of circulatory and immune system. Part of circulatory Okay, now it consists of what? एक्चुअल में होता क्या है? लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी इम्यून सिस्टम, बट एक्चुअल में इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट? फर्स्ट इज lymph. We'll explain what is lymph. Second, lymphatic vessel. Lymphatic vessels is divided into two, that is capillaries, and capillaries join to form ducts. Okay, lymphatic ducts. And third is lymph nodes. Now first I will explain what do you mean by lymph. What do you mean by lymph? Lymph actually में होता क्या है? Okay, before the lymph it consists of plasma plus lymphocyte. Lymph is what? प्लाज्मा, बट इसमें से प्रोटीन हटा दो, ठीक है? सो प्लाज्मा, उसमें से प्रोटीन हटा दो वो, प्लस लिम्फोसाइट इज नोन एज लिम्फ. इन अदर वर्ड, और यू कैन से ब्लड है, ठीक है, माइनस प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन, ठीक है. प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन को हटा दिया, प्लाज्मा में से हमने प्रोटीन यहाँ हटाया, प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन, और क्या हटा देंगे? आरबीसी प्लस platelets. You know the composition of blood now. If you know and we are very well clear about the classification of blood, then it's easy for you to understand what is lymph. So actual lymph क्या है? blood है, उस पे से तुम लोग plasma protein, just remove plasma protein, RBC and platelets. Okay, this is lymphs. Blood minus plasma protein, RBC and platelet. This is known as lymph. Okay. Now actual में क्या what happen? This is artery, and these are arterioles. Don't remove this, okay? And lymph, this is tissue. So pressure is more, and that's why the filtration takes place. Okay, so we can write so the pressure, actually what happened, capillaries wall is thin and the pressure is more and therefore the filtration takes place. Capillaries wall is thin. Next, come to lymphatic vessel. So it consists of lymphatic capillaries, lymphatic duct which I have told you. So lymphatic where is they are, ये बहुत ही narrow होते हैं and it is lined with endothelium. क्या होते हैं? Narrow, lined with endothelium. There is one more word, lacteal. So lacteal is what? It is milky in color. And where it is found? It is found in villi of intestine and it help in transport of absorbed food. Where it is found? Found in villi of intestine. क्या फंक्शन रहता है? हेल्प इन ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ absorbed food which is known as chylomicrons. Next is lymphatic ducts. What is lymphatic ducts? I have told you that capillaries join to form ducts, and lymphatic vessels is work through which lymph circulate. Let me write through which lymph circulate. Okay, so lymphatic ducts, it is divided into two. First is right lymphatic duct. So right lymphatic duct, it collect lymph from right side. Okay. Collect lymph from right side. And where it is open? कहाँ ओपन होते हैं? At the junction of right subclavian and right internal jugular vein. So So right lymphatic collect lymph from right side and open side junction of right clavin and right internal jugular vein. Second is thoracic duct. What is the function of thoracic ducts and where it open? So collects fluid from left side. Okay. Collect and where it open? Left subclavian, यह राइट सबक्लेवियन था, एंड लेफ्ट इंटरनल jugular. Okay, so this is about lymphatic vessel. Next is what? Lymph nodes. What is lymph nodes? So lymph nodes is a very small bean shaped structure होते हैं that remove pathogens and toxic substance. Let me write. So lymph nodes क्या होते हैं? Small bean shaped structure होते हैं. What is the function of lymph? It removes pathogen and toxic substance. And where it is located? Everywhere, but it is maximum in neck, axilla and groin areas. Everywhere, but maximum it is in neck, axilla and groin areas. So lymph nodes क्या रहते हैं? ये फिल्टर करते हैं substance that travel through lymphatic fluid. And what does it contain? होते क्या है lymph nodes में? Lymphocytes, WBC, that help the body fight against infection disease. So lymph nodes में क्या होते हैं? Lymphocytes. और क्या फंक्शन होते हैं उनके? They help the body to fight against disease. Okay. So lymph nodes filter substances that travel through lymphatic fluid. And what does it contain? They contain lymphocytes. Very important. And what is the function? Help the body fight against infection and disease. Okay, so what is the lymphoid organ, lymphocytic tissue? Lymphocytic tissue. You can see lymphocytic organ, spleen. Write down organ. Okay. You can also write tissue. It is spleen, bone marrow, and thymus, tonsils, mucous membrane, okay. What is spleen? Spleen, about spleen, let's write down something about spleen. It's very important. So spleen, the function of the spleen is basically is a erythropoietic organ. Erythropoietic means it is at erythropoietic in embryonic life. Embryonic life में erythropoietic organ होते, means it produce RBC. It's a blood bank, store RBC. Okay, so in embryonic, write down whole sentence कि embryonic life में ही ये क्या होते हैं. In embryonic life it act as erythropoietic organ. Erythropoietic organ means it produce RBC. And after birth, spleen perform two function. What? Store RBC and destroy RBC. Destroy RBC. So it is store RBC means it is blood bank, and destroy RBC means graveyard of RBC. So RBC में क्या होता है? It store RBC, or you can say it is a blood bank, and it also destroy RBC. Graveyard भी होता है RBC के. It is a blood bank as well as graveyard of RBC. So students, this is all about lymphatic system. Okay.